Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic gate openers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for affordability, premium features, or reliable performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the JUJIANG C01 automatic gate opener. This model is designed for light-duty dual swing gates, handling up to 440 pounds per arm or 12 feet in length. With a 40-watt motor, it offers reliable and efficient performance, making it great for residential use. The JUJIANG opener supports 3 power modes: 110-volt AC power, solar panels, or a 24-volt backup battery, providing flexibility for various installation setups. It also features safety functions like auto close and obstacle detection, ensuring a secure and worry-free operation. When it comes to design and build quality, the JUJIANG C01 boasts stainless steel construction with an IP55 waterproof and dustproof rating, making it durable for outdoor use. Its smart control box allows each arm to operate individually, and the remote controls have a range of up to 100 feet, perfect for larger properties. Installation is straightforward with the included manual and hardware, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts. While the JUJIANG opener shines in versatility and affordability, its 440-pound weight limit may not be sufficient for heavier gates, and it lacks included batteries. These must be purchased separately. Overall, this gate opener is ideal for homeowners seeking an entry-level product with customizable power options and essential safety features. At number 4, we have the COZ 3,300 pounds automatic sliding gate opener. This heavy-duty sliding gate opener is built for large gates, supporting up to an impressive 3,300 pounds and 40 feet in length. Powered by a 550-watt electric motor, the COZ opener operates smoothly at 42 feet per minute, ensuring quick and efficient gate movement. It comes with 2 remote controls that offer a range of up to 100 feet. And the system can accommodate up to 25 remotes, making it great for businesses, schools, or large families. The COZ sliding gate opener features a robust steel construction paired with an ABS cover that aids heat dissipation, ensuring long-term reliability. It includes safety features like obstacle detection and auto-close functionality, plus frequency encryption to prevent unauthorized access. The chain-driven design ensures consistent performance, even in harsh weather conditions. While the COZ opener is a powerhouse, its sliding design means it's only suitable for gates that roll along a track, limiting its versatility compared to swing gate openers. Additionally, its larger size and weight may require more effort during installation. Despite these limitations, this opener is perfect for those with heavy-duty sliding gates who need a reliable, secure, and fast-performing solution. Coming in at number 3 is the Mighty Mule MM371W automatic gate opener. This model is designed for light-duty single-swing gates, supporting up to 300 pounds or 12 feet in length. It's compatible with various gate types, including ornamental, chain link, vinyl, and wood, making it a versatile choice for residential properties. The MM371W stands out for its solar-ready design, allowing you to add solar panels to power the opener, an excellent option for eco-conscious users. This Mighty Mule gate opener is lightweight, weighing only 12.1 pounds, and features a black metal exterior for durability. Installation is designed to be user-friendly with how-to videos and 24-hour technical support available online. While it performs reliably for smaller gates, it does lack some advanced features, such as smartphone compatibility or obstacle detection. The MM371W is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for its price point. However, its lower weight and length capacity may not suffice for larger or heavier gates. If you're looking for an affordable, straightforward solution for lighter gates, the Mighty Mule MM371W is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Mighty Mule MM371W automatic gate opener. This model is a step up from its MM371W sibling, supporting gates up to 16 feet long and 550 pounds, making it ideal for heavier swing gates. Like the MM371W, This opener is solar-ready, offering an eco-friendly power option. The MM371W also includes smart capabilities via the Mighty Mule wireless connectivity kit, allowing you to control your gate opener through a smartphone app, a feature that adds modern convenience. Durability is a strong point for the MM371W, with a weather-resistant design that operates reliably in temperatures from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is simplified with the Built app, which provides detailed instructions and tool requirements. The included remote offers a range of over half a mile, making this opener perfect for sprawling properties. While the MM371W offers advanced features and greater capacity, it requires a 12-volt marine or automotive battery, sold separately, adding to the overall cost. Additionally, its higher weight makes installation slightly more demanding. Despite these minor drawbacks, this opener is ideal for consumers seeking a robust, smart-ready solution for larger gates. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ghost Controls Heavy-Duty Solar Automatic Gate Opener Kit. This solar-powered opener is designed for dual swing gates, supporting up to 900 pounds or 12 feet per gate leaf, making it perfect for large driveway gates. The included 10-watt solar panel provides an energy-efficient solution, and you can upgrade to 30-watt solar for even greater power. The opener is compatible with various gate types, including chain link, tube, and plantation gates, though it's not recommended for solid panel gates. The Ghost Controls kit includes 2 gate opener arms, 2 remote transmitters with a 1,000-foot range, and a control box with smart compatibility for third-party smartphone devices. Installation is DIY-friendly, requiring only common tools and no welding or high-voltage electrical work. The durable construction, lifetime warranty on the motor and gear assembly, and 18-month warranty on parts ensure long-term reliability. While the Ghost Controls opener is premium in features and performance, it does require a 12-volt battery, not included, adding to the initial setup cost. Additionally, it's not suitable for solid panel gates, which may limit its application for some users. Nevertheless, this opener is the ultimate choice for homeowners seeking a high-capacity, solar-powered solution with advanced features and exceptional build quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.